Alright guys, Ride Pro here. We got a 1996 Honda Goldwing 1500 with a removable trike kit. A nice white color, beautiful white color. Brand new tires on the trike kit. It's got the passenger floorboards, rider floorboards, highway bar floorboards. Got some little scuffs right here, so right there, little scratches in that. Another one right here. Does have the Corbin ostrich skin seat with rider backrest, passenger backrest also to match. Rider armrest with storage. There's a CB on it. Radio controls. It's got 68,000. 12 miles. Not sure if you guys can see that in the video there. Let's turn it on here. Hear the radio. There's that radio on there. Go ahead and start it up for you. Nice chrome front end. Chrome disc covers, new front tire on the front here, so the fog lights, little accessory outlet here. Does have the wood grain dash. It's kind of a deep dark cherry color. Nice added lighting to the trike kit there. Trailer hitch. You visit our website www.myridepro.com. It's www.myridepro.com. You can give us a call at 813-615-1700. We do have discounted shipping rates anywhere in the U.S. starting at $300. Goes up from there. If anyone would like to take a look at it, they can stop by the shop. Give us a call. It's 813-615-1700. Alright guys, thanks.